How to sign in to MetLife. Hey everybody, welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get logged into your MetLife Dental Provider's account. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up any of your preferred web browser. At the top search bar, type in MetLife Login. Once you do so, you will see its official website on your first search result that says log in to your account. Tap open that link. Then you will see this page. And here, simply type in your username. Once done, type in your password at the box below. In case you have forgotten your username or password, tap onto these links below to get help resetting your account. Once you have done all that, just tap on to login. And in case you don't have an account, tap on register now and get started with creating your account. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.